Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm Sanjana, studying computer science and engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. In this video, let us see the creation of class and object with examples, method overloading and method overriding with examples in Java programming. And Java programming is also known as object-oriented programming. It is highly programming language. Now let us see the introduction to object-oriented programming concept. Object-oriented program is a programming paradigm that revolves around the concept of class and objects. Class are blueprints for creating objects, while objects are instances of classes. This presentation will focus on the creation of class and object, as well as method overloading and method overriding in object-oriented programming. Now, let us see how to create a class. A class is a user-defined data type that encapsulates data and behaviors. Classes are created using the class keyword in programming language such as Java and C++. Now let us see the example for creation of class. We use Java. In Java, we use public class uh, as the main thing, and the example will be taken like this. Now let us see the creation of an object. Objects are instances of classes that have their own state and behavior. Objects are created using the new keyword followed by the class name. Now let us see the example. For creating a object, we'll use a class name as a object. Now let us see the method overloading. Actually, the method overloading is when multiple methods in the same class have the same name but different parameters. The methods to be executed is determined by the number and type of argument passed. Now, and also let us see the example for method overloading, and that will be displayed down. Method overloading example. In the calculator class example, there are two add methods with different parameter types. The first add method accepts two integers and returns an integer sum. The second add method accepts two double and return a double sum. This is the explanation for method overloading. Now let us see method overriding. Method overriding is when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. The overridden method in the subclass must have the same signature as the method in the superclass. Let us see the example in next slide. Uh, the example is displayed there, and this is for method override. Now let us see the explanation for the example. In the animal and dog class example, the dog class overrides the makeSound method from the animal class. The dog class provides a specific implementation for the makeSound method by printing dog barks instead of the generic animal make a sound. Now let us see the recap for the class and everything which we have seen here. Classes or blueprints for creating an object is object-oriented program. Objects are instances of class and have their own state and behavior. Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameters in a class. Method overriding is when a superclass provides a specific implementation for a method defined in its superclass. Method overloading and method overriding help in achieving polymorphism in object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is nothing but Java programming is also known as object-oriented programming. Both concepts are fundamental in designing reusable and modular code. Now let us summarize the video. Classes and objects at the core of object-oriented programming. Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameters in a class. Method overriding enables subclasses to provide specific implementations for methods defined in their superclasses. Now let us conclude the topic. Understanding the creation of class and objects as well as method overloading and method overriding is essential for mastering object-oriented programming. This concept plays a crucial role in designing robust and maintainable software systems. Experimentation are a key to solidifying our understanding of these concepts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.